Athletics and physical education in the school setting play a huge role. Not only do you have teams competing for championships, but it's also a means of building character, of learning teamwork and other life skills that they're going to carry well beyond their days of playing here. While we are a school in a school setting and hosting a variety of school sporting events, really here at Moorestown, this is a community center. There's youth teams and youth leagues, there's adult leagues that are in there almost every night of the week, almost throughout the entire calendar year. The benefit is, it's one of the great aspects of the Moorestown community. We really are a community here. One downside is the wear and tear, and over time you get to a point where certain fields or courts, they're just going to be in need of an upgrade. And Moorestown's reached that point right now. The focus would be ensuring safety of all participants, whether it's high school athletes, youth, or adult athletes. The focus point and the starting point when we start putting projects together would be making it safe for everyone to use in basically any capacity that they're looking to use it for. It would allow us to more consistently stick to our sports schedule and probably expand the community use of other youth teams and organizations that want to have outdoor athletic events here on campus. Much needed upgrades that I think the community will see the benefits of firsthand.